Swordfish is a new standard from SNIA that is designed in collaboration with Redfish from the Distributed Management Task Force to add storage management on top of server management that Redfish already does. In other words, there's one single set of APIs to manage both your servers and your storage.
We've been working with SNIA for quite some time, and one of the initiatives that we've had with SMI is to work on SMIS. And we've been working on SMIS for about 5 years, and we've seen a need to evolve SMIS so that we can take advantage of modern APIs, modern protocols, modern tools that are available now in pretty much all data center IT shops. And that's where Swordfish comes in. With the Swordfish API and using Redfish protocol and Redfish APIs as the base of the Swordfish extensions, we actually get a lot of that modernization for free, and then we can add all of the storage components to the schemas.
Swordfish is disruptive and different because of the fact that it's more similar to the way cloud APIs or other APIs that DevOps people tend to work with these days. It's REST-based, which is a very simple set of APIs, unlike the prior incarnations of these things were IPMI, which is a very binary, very intensive developer operation, or SIM, which was SOAP-based, had a lot of required knowledge, specialized tools, and was very different from what people in DevOps do in their day-to-day jobs.
The most beneficial part of Swordfish is actually now that an end user can actually consume it. In previous iterations of storage management, it was very vendor proprietary tools or standards that were very difficult to consume using a simple client or a simple interface. Now with Redfish, you basically have REST, and pretty much anyone in the IT organizations understand REST APIs and RESTful protocols. End users can consume these APIs directly, provision, manage the full lifecycle of storage from their existing tools and using their existing skill sets.
The most improvement for the end user, again, I think is the ability to use the same sets of tools, same sets of experiences that they have with web APIs today, with their own APIs, to control their servers, to control their storage.
We've seen an evolution of storage going from the traditional IT into cloud and virtualization and now hyperscale clouds. And what we see is that the consumption of storage is actually changing in such a way that the intent of the applications is making its way down into the provisioning of storage. The changes in the standards actually have to evolve in order to take into account how applications want to consume storage.